Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can claim our Arbitrum airdrop, and we will also see what are the eligibility criteria for claiming the airdrop. So in order to check it, just go to your browser and type Arbitrum airdrop, then open up the very first link that you will see. Make sure that it is the official one, as there are so many scams out there, and this is how it will look like. And after that, just click on connect wallet. Then use any of the wallet that you want to use in order to connect to this particular Arbitrum website. So I'm going to use MetaMask, and after it is connected, just click over here on check eligibility, and here you will be able to see the amount that you will get from airdrop if you participated in it. And if you want to check the eligibility criteria, then just click on these plus icons and you will be able to see the eligibility criterias. Like if you bridged your funds into Arbitrum 1 or Arbitrum Nova, then you will fulfill this criteria, and there are some other criteria as well. In total, you would have to score at least 3 points, and if you scored less than 3, then all the points would be turn out to be null and you won't get the airdrop. So these are the criterias, you can check them, and this is how you get the Arbitrum airdrop. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.